Hey guys, JJ Jester here. Hope you guys are having fun with the getting to test realms if you've updated to 15. Um, just so you guys know, and if you haven't noticed already, it's just the alpha build of realms right now. It's not no new features right now. The only thing that was dropped was a couple of fixes and the alpha build of realms. But I'm gonna jump into what I had said, and as you can see, even my server's offline. I'm waiting for Genesis to get somebody to upload the Genesis update so I can update the server, and then it'll be back online. Um, but I'm going to be doing something I haven't tested to see if it works still, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can still use this thing or not. Let's see, I think I was using slab as a key for now. Okay, it still works. Okay, this is what I'm going to be doing a tutorial. Well, yeah, I'll do the tutorial on it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's going on. I know a lot of people are having issues with the minecart storage system, the traditional one, the one that I had designed based off of FedEx Gaming's design. I went ahead and took all of that out just so that this is basically tilable. It's one wide. I'm going to, when my server has full redstone, I'm going to be adding this to my server so that in survival, so that whenever you guys are able to get up the resources to make one, all you have to do is come over and build. Copy the design that's already there and build yourself a bank account. And you can have multiple ones. This thing is just infinitely expandable because all you're doing is just laying down one tile after another after another. But basically all this is an item sorter. And you have your items here to lock in. Like I have slabs as the key, but you could use anything you want to use as a key. You just have to rename it to a certain, whatever you want to name it. You put the item in an anvil, rename it, and you need 18. Well, you need 19 of them. You need 18 for the top, and one will get caught here. So I would make like 20 because you're gonna need 19 just for the hoppers alone. Plus you're gonna need an extra one to keep on you. So I'd basically just make up 20. You have one to lose because once you lose all of them, I found with the password door that I did, even if it's named the same, it doesn't work. So you'd have to make up a whole new 20. But hopefully that gets changed. If you name the exact same item, the same name and everything, you should be able to reuse it. But I wasn't able to on my door when Redstone first came out with the hoppers. But anyways, we have the 22 items in here into your comparator. And it has to go 2 blocks into a repeater, which kills this torch, which kills the redstone, allows that torch to go on, and moves your cart over. You hit the button to send it back. This is already going to be off because once your item goes through, try and do this quick, you get that short little flicker on the torch. And then everything goes back to being depowered. So I'm going to go ahead and build this up for you guys. Let's see, we're going to start here. Well, I'm going to go ahead and leave it open so you guys see what everything. But we'll take all this back. go ahead and put, what do I have here? I'll put this here with that. Then I can get rid of this those. Let me go ahead and put a torch here. Actually, I don't need one there. Put one here, because that will go ahead and power the next one if I was to put one in. And we'll put that there. And we'll go ahead and get rid of. Whoa, crap! I need that one more powered rail. Need a powered rail there. Now I can get rid of the powered rails. Let's see, we're going to need hoppers and a chest. I'm going to work on the chest right now. Actually, no, I'm not. I'll go ahead and put a block there, put a dropper here. Saves from having to do, whoops, wrong thing. I'll bring that over for now. I'm going to go ahead and kill those. Get those out of there. Do that. Do that. I don't want to get rid of that yet. Alright. Gonna need that one there. Go ahead and drop that block there. Drop that block. Drop that block. And the rest is going to, and then we'll put one slab. I'm gonna have to put two, not that, that. Get rid of that one. Put your slab over here. Put a torch on the end of it. Put a torch there. And put some redstone there. And there. Alright, now we'll move on to item sorting. And before I do anything, I'll go ahead and lock that. Don't want any problems there. So we'll put our repeater here. And repeater here. Put the comparator here. And your 2 redstone. And that is the workings of that. And then all we gotta do is fill up your items. I'm gonna go ahead and use slabs again. Whoops, don't want that. Ugh. Oh my word, my big thumbs. Alright, and we'll just fill in some generic items. And last but not least, we have tracks. Actually, not the last thing. This is second to last thing. Bring that over. Go ahead and build that up. Drop a button. And that should be it. So we'll throw that in there. Cart comes over. Got your stuff. Send it back. And this is the easiest I've seen. As there are some that are, the banking systems that are easier, but they're not secure. This one here is secure because when I actually go ahead and do this, I'm thinking when I build it on the server, I'm gonna build it out of bedrock so that nobody can actually, and it's gonna be kind of screwy. I mean, either way, if you got dishonest people, this is not gonna be secure, but that's the way it is with any Minecraft bank. But if you got honest people playing, you're not gonna have any issues. This is the basic of setups. There's probably nothing easier to build that is secure anyway. And It's very light on resources, so it wouldn't take much for you, to find the necessary redstone to make make an account. The hardest part on this would be the gold for the tracks. That's it. Trip to the Nether, and you can get what you need for a comparator, so you'll be good there. So I mean, nothing here. The only hard thing is finding enough gold for 3 powered rails, which you technically don't need. You don't really need that one. I just threw it in there. But it still works just fine without it. If you don't have the middle one, it still goes. So I mean, technically you'd only need 2 rails if you wanted to skimp on the middle one. Nothing wrong with that. Saving yourself some gold. But that's about it, guys. I just wanted to do this quick tutorial because of the fact that, this is the same setup that was on the minecart storage system, but a lot of people are having issues making it, and it's because of the fact that it's directional, and they're, without being able to see people's builds on how it was done, I can only try and help so much. So I decided to go ahead and get rid of the whole storage, automated cart stuff, and just make this one wide and just keep tiling it at one after another. That's the simplest way to do it. And that way, it's people can just make their own accounts. If you put this on a server or something like that, or one of your local one of your LAN servers, you can build this. But I figured I wanted to do it this way just because it's way easier to build. There's nothing difficult about this. It's just an item sorter into all the minecart stuff. But this is way simpler to build, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please give it a like. I'd really appreciate it. Hopefully this does the job for you guys that want a bank, and it's super simple and infinitely expandable, low on resources. If you guys are seeing this video and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'm always looking for new ideas. I'm always looking for new comments, and now new people to join the channel server. That's it, guys. Any feedback, please give it to me. I really enjoy having feedback, good and bad. Does not matter. So I will leave you guys. And side note, I'm still working on the sugarcane farm, the small one. Just not gotten around to it because of this and coming up with this today, and the fact that my server's down, trying to find the update file to get it up and running. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, and hopefully you guys have fun. I will catch you guys later.